Have you ever wished that there was a place you can go to find out absolutely everything you needed to know in the AI space? Like, what tools are people using? What products out there have AI connected to them? What are chatbots? Who should I follow in the space? Where can I even get an education? This is why I've created my AI toolbox. If you're new here, my name is Ben Silverman, and my goal is to simplify AI for creatives. So creative people and technology people speak two very different languages, and I really want to bridge that gap. A lot of people who are early adopters are getting really excited right now with everything that has been going on in the AI space. But what about everyone else? They're concerned, scared, hesitant. They need a place where they can go without feeling overwhelmed. I've spent 1.5 years building systems to do just that, and I just want to give them to you. If you find any of this useful, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button below, and let's just jump right in. Now, this site is not finished yet, and I really wanted to build it in public. And it was important to me to actually just get it out there, because while I build it, you can actually benefit from it. So it is being updated every day. Some portions aren't populated yet or even built yet. Some still need a little bit more branding and design. The goal is to hear your input and change it accordingly. I'm just going to walk you right through it. And then I'm excited for you to check it out and explore it yourself. And as I update it, I'm just going to keep coming right here. This is going to become my new toolbox. I know I had it on another app platform, but this is a much cleaner and easier app to use. It's www.seatd.io. You'll see that right here, this is what I do. I'm simplifying AI for creatives. I've got the AI toolbox, which is below. I have a newsletter that I put out once a week. My YouTube channel is what you're watching right now. You'll be able to come here to get educated on everything that I'm working on, and then you can just contact me directly and tell me, fix this, do that. I'll probably create more categories. I might take some down if they're not being used as much. I have AI tools. This is what I do regularly. I do consulting on a one-on-one basis because I can help you build your custom workflows. Here is where I'm going to list all the products that are coming out on a daily basis, so you can see if you wanted to get more AI connected devices, this is where it will be, and when they come out, I'm going to put them here. I have a chatbot guide because it's constantly being updated on which one's getting better, like ChatGPT, or now Claude has artifacts. This is where I'm going to put a lot of that information. Deep dives, I'm probably going to start doing more courses here, such as like Midjourney and how do you use the new Midjourney Alpha website, and how do you dive into image generation or Luma and create videos from text or image prompts. AI news is where I'm going to put my constant feed of news that I'm finding, so you can just come there if you don't want to, say, receive it in an inbox, or if you want to not just always watch the videos, but just come here and check out, well, what happened today in AI. Education is where I'm going to list and curate other education sites. Harvard, Yale, Stanford, they're all doing courses. I know Amazon's talking about courses that they're doing. Really cool sites on Udemy. I'll find these sites for you, curate them, and make sure that the best ones are here so you know where you can go. And we're even going to start making courses. So automations. Now, things like Zapier and Make.com are out there. So I actually want to create some and give to you. And some of these eventually will potentially have a cost, but right now, absolutely everything is for free until I get this adjusted, and really it is what you want it to be. Below, since I am focused in the production world, film and television and commercials, I'm probably going to have a focus space on workflow building for that. Resources, this is where I'm going to want to put some of my cheat sheet guides where you're going to just be able to download inspirations, where I'm going to have all the people that I follow. I'm going to curate the AI jobs that are out in the universe, and I want to give that to you so you can just come here instead of sift through all of these other sites. If you're just focused on AI, I want to make sure you can have a place where you can come to see, oh, where are they looking for AI artists or people who know the tools or consultants. Let's just jump right in here to AI tools. So again, I'm really trying to make it look really clean and neat and easy. And as you can see right here, I have so many categories you can go through. So there's advertising, AI agents, everything is organized alphabetically. You have health and wellness, kids, legal, meeting notes. And then when you come in here, you'll see, for instance, if you went into advertising, you'll see these are the tools that you can use. This is Spline. This is a 3D program, motion design program, Fable Prism. If you wanted to learn more, you can click on this and there's going to be more of the descriptions or a deeper dive. And you just hit here, get it, and it'll take you right to the site. So you don't even have to worry about sifting through sites. Just come here, find what you need, and then you'll be connected right to the site. Let's go back to the toolbox. And here is a little bit about me. So if you need anything custom or you just want to talk to me about building your own system, you could contact me and we could do a one-on-one thing. Per products, I'm still working on this, but you'll see this is kind of the idea. None of these are connected quite yet, but they will be most likely when you're watching this video, like wearables, phones, computers, glasses. If you look at the chatbot guide, I have a few things I'm changing, and this might even be changed by the time you're watching this, but you can see here are some of the chatbots that are being worked on. And like, for instance, if you want to see Claude, you'll be able to see here and understand what Claude is. Inspiration, I do have people that I follow in different areas. So like productivity, you can see as I am, I talk a lot about Ali Abdaal, Leah Motley I really enjoy. Riley Brown's a great person to watch. Rowan, I'm not trying to just have everybody just watch me. I want you to be able to connect with all of these other people and understand like what are the newsletters. Curious Refuge does a really good one. Matt Wolf is fantastic. You'll be able to come down here and see, you can book a time. Just if you email me, I'll see all of these directly and we could schedule a time. If you want to subscribe to my newsletter, you could just click right here. And I've been doing this newsletter for over a year now. So yeah, I'm really excited to bring this to you and to have this interaction with you on a one-on-one real-time basis. This is a live site, so please check it out. Take a look, do it at your own pace. It's a really, really exciting time, and I'm so happy that I can be here to help you explore it. So subscribe to the channel, check out the site, subscribe to the newsletter, wherever I can be helpful to you, and I'm excited to connect with you one-on-one.